to this channel, Learn Tech Flow. So if you are just new to this channel, remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. Now in this tutorial, I'll train you on how you can install and enable Java JDK on your Windows. Now first of all, before you install, you need to check whether your computer already installed with the JDK for Java. Right now, to check whether it's already installed, you just need to come on your search bar, then you'll search for command prompt, this one, then you'll search for Java. So it says that Java is not recognized as an internal, so it means that Java is not installed. Right now, to install, you just need to come here to your browser, then to the website. Now oracle.com, you click there, then you'll have now this is a website where you can download JDK for Linux, MacOS, Mac operating system, and Windows. Right now we want for Windows. You just click on the Windows, then it will take you here. Then you'll need now to download this. Right now for with an extension of .exe. Right now, after you've downloaded, you just need to come to your files, where you have your files. Then you go to downloads. This is downloads. Go to downloads, then you need to come here down where you have your JDK. Alright, then you click there to install. It'll take you here, then you click on next. Right, then here you can change where to store your program or your Java. So this is by default where it's stored in the program files, so you can just leave it as that. Then you click next, then it will start now installing. Just wait for a few minutes, then it will be installed on your computer. Now after it has installed, you click on close. Right now, after that, you just need to go to your files, then you go to your local disk, then you click on program files, then you'll see your Java is already installed. You'll see your Java is already installed. Then you can click here, the version, you see 7. So then you click on here, you see several files here, there are several files here. Now after that, you need to copy this file directory. Now after copying the file directory, you need now to come back to your settings, then on here you can search for, this is edit system environment variables, then you'll click on environment variables. Now we are creating a variable or an environment for running your Java program. Alright, now you click on environment variables, then you click on path, then you can see your Java is already installed. Alright, now on here you can just now create new, then you paste your file directory there, then you okay, then this is okay, then okay. Now your Java is now installed on your computer. In those few steps, you'll now have your Java installed on your computer. You can now run your Java project, Java programs, just using another best IDE. So next on our tutorial, we'll discuss on how you can install Eclipse in Java or in your computer that will be used in running our Java programs. It's very simple to learn Java, so just be focused and you'll learn more in our coming tutorials. Thank you guys for watching.